Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video is about why your ex will never be able to replace you or your energy that you brought into their life. Now, you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time, and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. We only have a finite amount of time to maximize on love in a relationship. And when I say maximize, I mean being able to show a partner they are worth every single ounce of love and affection, every speckle of respect and space you provide for them. But see, sometimes we run into these immovable objects in our life. You know, those people who don't know how to love you right, who fumble a whole ass good person, and not for any other reason than they lack the maturity and the intelligence to treat you right. And what exactly is treating you right? Communicating effectively, caring unconditionally, being respectful, loyal. These are things that are the bare minimum we require in a relationship, right? But for some strange ass reason, your ex found that difficult. For some reason, they couldn't stay loyal, couldn't talk to you like an adult, couldn't effectively not give you the silent treatment, couldn't provide you with a level of understanding about how you were hurt. Come on now. That's behavior that's unbecoming of someone deserving of your time and access. But you know us. Love and attraction will have us making some ridiculous decisions, giving out our love like it's Halloween candy to people who we know damn well don't deserve it. But see, when you lack enough love and respect for yourself, when you've never been loved right, when you yourself grew up in an environment where your parents or your guardian didn't share or provide a safe space for you, to be open and honest, we carry and manifest that in our lives in other ways as we get older. Your ex being in a new rebound or looking unaffected and happy without you means exactly what? A whole hell of a lot of nothing. See, we always mistake the fact that nobody is usually what they post to be. Why would your ex ever want to give you the perception that they're struggling? I mean, they couldn't even give you the perception that they cared about you during your relationship. You think that now, weeks or months later, it's about to change after? See, sometimes we don't give ourselves the proper credit for having good character, for respecting people's space, for having boundaries, for having empathy, for investing the time that we did. All we do is blame ourselves for not seeing and for not knowing. But question for you. Does it make you a bad person for believing in love, for showing your vulnerabilities, for forgiving somebody who probably didn't deserve it? Like, you can't control that some men and women are too immature or not emotionally intelligent enough to handle that. That's not your burden to carry. All you can do is raise both your red flag meter and increase your awareness around people who treat you like you don't matter. And think about that. You kept trying to make up the difference in what your ex lacked, which means what? You were literally holding up that relationship by your damn self. And how exactly is that supposed to work? How is that supposed to be meaningful and long lasting? How were you ever supposed to feel fulfilled in that relationship? You were already pouring from an empty ass cup daily. Now you gotta love times two for a person who ain't showed you in years that they even care? Nah, that ain't how this is supposed to work. So are you ready to start seeing your value through your own eyes and not through the eyes of someone who couldn't, wouldn't, or didn't even have the capacity to give you what you needed in the first place? Or not? As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom and become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.